had a natural treatment for addressing even the worst cases of uncontrolled belly fat. It contains no harmful chemicals, doesn't require a prescription, and works automatically. Your success is my only weapon against the big pharma companies, who are undoubtedly going to try hard to stop us, because they can't patent any of the natural ingredients in this formula. So trying to replicate it doesn't make any sense. It would end up costing them billions in lost profits they make by treating the symptoms and consequences rather than the root cause. We are an absolute nightmare for them. I know that they're going to do whatever they can to shut us down, blocking us from getting into the pharmacies and health food shops. That's why we've decided not to delay another day and make the formula available on this site right now. We call it Proven. It's the most powerful and effective natural detoxifier in the world. And it's the first ever all-natural treatment that targets the actual root cause of excess body fat through obesogens and pollution exposure. In fact, we're so confident that it's going to be a game changer that we took our whole life savings and found a highly reputable natural health supplement manufacturer to produce it for us. They are both GMP certified and FDA registered. And everything is made here in the U.S. to guarantee the highest possible levels of purity, potency, and safety. They source the best quality ingredients and plant extracts and manage to formulate them into small and easy-to-swallow capsules. So, no more foul-tasting tea, but the same incredible results. And we ship them straight to your door. The capsules are non-GMO and do not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins. Because, let's be honest, you should never take risks when it comes to your health. And that's why we won't cut any corners. Losing weight with Proven is so simple and much more effective than exercise or any diet plan being pushed by the so-called fitness experts and nutritionists. It has already helped 74,820 ordinary people to transform their waist size, energy levels, health, and lives. People like Rose McMahon from Glenview, Illinois. Rose was so excited with her results, she reached out and asked us to share her story. After struggling with my weight for as long as I can remember, I had almost given up hope of ever being slim. I've tried so many things in the past: keto, Atkins, fasting, exercise, smoothies, but nothing seemed to work for me. So I was extremely skeptical when my friend recommended Proven to me. But as it's 100% natural, I saw no harm in trying. And wow, this stuff really works. 4 weeks in and I've already lost 18 pounds and still dropping fast. I'm so pleased I found Proven. It really is changing my life. If anyone is on the fence about this, I highly recommend you give it a try. And Rose isn't alone. Every day we hear similar stories from around the world. Here's an email we got from Kathy in Ottawa, Canada. Hi Adrian, just a quick email to let you know how my weight loss has been progressing. I've been taking Proven for 2 months now, and the results are simply amazing. I've dropped 43 pounds and am now down to a size 14. I'm still not where I want to be yet, but I think in another month or so, I'll get there. Please, please, please don't stop making this miracle stuff. It's been a game changer for me. And another from Nigel in the UK. Hi guys, I wanted to say a big thank you to everyone involved with the Proven supplements. I've been using it for around 3 weeks now and can definitely say this stuff works like crazy. I have lost 17 pounds so far without any sickness, bloating, or the nasty side effects I've got from the other diet pills I've tried. My energy and mood is up, and I can actually see myself getting thinner on a daily basis. This formula is amazing. I have just ordered another 3 bottles for my wife because she is astounded and very jealous with my results. Thanks again. And you too can experience these exact same incredible results when you give Proven a try. Imagine how it's going to feel when your friends are green with envy at your incredible body transformation, begging you for your secret. Imagine never having to endure the pain and frustrations of yo-yo dieting and depriving yourself of your favorite foods again. Just imagine it for a second. Truly let yourself feel what it would be like. Don't worry, this is a one-time payment only, with no subscriptions or hidden charges. I dislike those things as much as you do. But To avoid disappointment, you're going to need to act fast. Click below to secure your package. Don't let the low price today fool you. Proven is extremely powerful, and I'm convinced it will work for you, as it has for the 74,820 others who have tried it. But I get if you're a little skeptical. I completely understand. I was too at first. After all, we've been lied to and manipulated our entire lives into believing that diet and exercise are the only paths to losing weight. Because of course, the billion-dollar weight loss industry will never tell you that there's a quick, easy, and natural way to burn belly fat and curb hunger. So here's what I'm going to do for you. To prove how confident I am that this formula will work for you, and so you have absolutely no risk, I'm prepared to back your order with a 100% satisfaction guarantee that works like this. In fact, if Proven didn't work for you, I wouldn't want to keep your money anyway. Just let me know if you're not fully satisfied and I will insist on refunding you. Does that sound fair? So this is one of the easiest decisions of your life. But again, I urge you to act now to secure your supply with this deal. Proven is so effective that word is starting to spread extremely fast. Men and women all across the world are now discovering this amazing formula for themselves, and most are ordering a long-term supply just in case. Not just losing fat in the short term, but keeping it off for good. Detoxifying their system and returning their body to its former. Click below to secure your package.